Where's the
My
key?
dear brothers,
The one.
I wish everybody an Eid Mubarak. Our brother here, Brian, has come from across the road from the aged care centre. And he actually came and complained to me there was a little bit of noise this morning. A little bit of noise because of the Eid prayer, because we had microphones outside. I've been sitting with him for about 10-15 minutes trying to give him some food to take home, to make our brother satisfied. I said to him, he came here to complain, but I want you to take the food home. I want you to go home as a Muslim. And our brother here, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has opened up his heart to become Muslim. Brian, you're doing this on your own free will?
Exactly.
Okay. So Brian, you repeat after me. Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
An.
La.
Ilaha.
Ilaha.
Illallah.
Wa.
Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
Anna. Muhammad. Abduhu. Wa Rasul. Allah. I testify. There is none. Worthy. Of worship. Except Allah. I testify. That Prophet Muhammad. Peace and blessings be upon him. Is Allah's humble servant and final messenger. My dear brother.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar. Takbir. Allahu Akbar. Takbir. Allahu Akbar.
I don't have the keys, man. The keys. Welcome him to Islam. Welcome him to Islam. Rahma. Have a big family now.
Welcome, brother.
Hamza, be careful, Hamza. Don't be rough.
It's you. It's you.
Hamza, Imam.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Tanzir, be good. Huh?
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
جزاكم الله خيرا.
Very much so. But I'm a bad boy.
No,
you're
a bad boy.
I've always been a bad boy.
We're all bad boys.
I know. We're all bad boys.